Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna analyze the Logitech G733 gaming headphones. We're gonna see both the strengths and weaknesses so we can find they're still worth it after all this time. Is it worth paying the current price in 2026? Let's find out. First of all, I want you to know that I've been using these headphones around 2.5 years now and almost 8 hours a day. So what I think needs to be emphasized above all else is the comfort. They're extremely comfortable. You can wear them for long periods of time without any discomfort at all. The build quality is mostly plastic, so it doesn't feel premium, but it doesn't feel cheap or fragile either. To be honest, they're quite flexible, and in these years of use I never had any problems. The only thing that's a bit worn is the headband, but this is normal, it loses elasticity over time, but in terms of durability, at least in my case, they have held up quite well. The design is quite simple, somewhat minimalist you could say. You can find them in different colors, and they have integrated LED lights on the sides to add the typical gaming touch, which by the way you can control to your liking with the Logitech software. Now let's talk about the sound, which is technically one of the most important things, right? The Logitech G733 have a fairly balanced sound, but they're not headphones that stand out for powerful bass. The bass is well controlled, it sounds clean, but it's contained. There isn't that strong punch or rumble that many people look for. In the mid-range, where the vocals are, they perform well. The voices sound clear and natural both in games and in TV shows or movies. The treble is smooth, it's not annoying or tiring, which is good for using the headphones for many hours at a time, but the sound feels a bit muted, as if it lacks a bit of brightness or fine detail. Overall, the sound performs well for gaming and watching TV series and movies. It's nothing spectacular, but it's very clean. Where they do excel is in stereo separation, locating footsteps, gunshots or voices is easy, and they work very well for competitive games. And well, the minor problem with the treble can be somewhat corrected using the Logitech software, where you have complete control over the headphones, which is a great feature actually. The microphone is an area where the G733 perform adequately, but they're nothing special. In fact, we're going to do a short audio test so you can get an idea.
Now, speaking to the headphones, we could say that the quality is acceptable but not the best in the world. Compared to the microphone I was using before, the difference is huge. However, using this microphone to chatting on Discord or playing games is more than enough. Actually, I use this microphone for that and I haven't had any problems at all. But of course, if you're looking for better audio quality, there are better alternatives on the market right now, even within the same brand.
Now, one of the points that isn't so good is the connectivity. The G733 work exclusively via a USB dongle, they don't have Bluetooth or wire connection, and this in 2026 feels quite limited. This means they're not very practical if you want to use them with your cell phone, a tablet, or quickly switch between devices. They work very well on PCs and compatible consoles, but beyond that, they're not very versatile. Regarding battery life, I honestly have no complaints about. With the RGB lights off, you can easily get 30 hours of use without any problem. In fact, I often charge them while I'm using them, only where they notify me that the battery is low of course, and I don't even leave them charging for very long, and even so, the battery has held up quite well. Furthermore, a positive aspect is that they are convenient to charge because the included USB cable is long enough to use them without any problems while they're charging. So in this respect, honestly, Logitech did a great job. So now the big question is, are the Logitech G733 worth it in 2026? And to be completely honest, for the price they are currently available at, for around 120 bucks, yes, they are completely worth it. At that price, the G733 are still a very good option if you're looking for extreme comfort, good battery life, and clean balanced sound for gaming, watching shows, or using your PC for many hours. These are headphones that, at least in my experience, have aged well, still work flawlessly, and don't feel outdated in everyday use. Clearly, they are not perfect, the connectivity is limited, they don't have Bluetooth or a wired connection, the microphone is adequate but not outstanding, and the sound isn't spectacular, but for 120 bucks, these compromises are quite unsustainable and don't ruin the experience. By the way, remember that in the video description you can find a link to the headphones in case you want to check them out. And well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to review any other product, leave a comment below. See you next time.